Hi, this is Wendy Lee. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in the US, and I thought I'd come talk with you today about the Blue Ridge Stampin' Escapes. So my friend Dana Sullivan and I partner on this event every quarter, and I wanted you to see kind of what to expect from an escape kit. So I've got an example, the one we're getting ready to ship out today, actually, so you can kind of see how things are packaged. So this is in this is the basic kit, and this particular one has the Stampin' Punch bundle added, but you can see all the goodies are inside here, and everything's labeled, which is awesome. Let's take a look inside a kit that's not sealed so you can see what happens. So once you open your bag, you have 12 project kits. Each kit is labeled with a sticker so that you know exactly which project it is and can match that up with not only the PDF instructions, but the video instructions as well. Then we've got a little gift in there for you. So we make you each a little special gift to put down inside your kit as a thank you. You'll also find the products that come with that kit inside your bag. So this particular kit has a full pack of designer series paper, a spool of ribbon, an embellishment, and a blending brush. Super exciting stuff, right? We also offer bonus add-on classes. So very similar to the packaging of the kit itself, the bonus class is also packaged in its own separate bag with everything labeled. The additional products that come in the bonus kit are separated into that project kit as well. So you'll know exactly what you're getting when it arrives in your door and what you need to do with it. So I hope this was helpful and that you'll join us for our next Blue Ridge Stampin' Escape. Bye for now.